In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to vectorize an image in Canva. If you've ever tried to enlarge a logo or graphic and ended up with blurry edges or a pixelated result, this process can really help. Canva makes it much easier to turn a flat image into something cleaner, sharper, and more flexible to work with, especially if you want to resize it for different designs without losing quality. I'll walk you through the full process from setting up your canvas to exporting your final file. To get started, open your preferred web browser and go to canva.com. Once Canva loads, head to the top right corner and click Create a Design. This opens the menu where you can choose the type of canvas you want to work on. Next, pick a canvas size that fits your project. For example, you can choose presentation if you want a wide workspace, or Instagram post in portrait format if you're designing for social media. After the blank canvas opens, go up to File, then View Settings, and turn on Show Margins. This gives you a helpful visual boundary so you can keep your design balanced and well positioned. Now it's time to bring in your image. On the left-hand side, click Uploads, then select Upload Files. Choose the PNG, JPEG, or WEBP image you want to vectorize from your device. Once the upload finishes, drag the image from the Uploads panel onto your canvas and place it where you want to work on it. With the image selected, go to the top toolbar and click Edit Photo. In the panel that appears, look for the option called Image to Design, or in some versions, Convert to Graphics. Click that option to let Canva process the image. This is the key step where Canva analyzes the artwork and transforms it into editable graphic elements that behave more like vector-style shapes. Once the conversion is complete, you can begin customizing the result. Click on different parts of the converted design to see whether individual sections can be selected and edited. If a section is editable, go to the color option in the top toolbar and change it to match your brand or design style. If you want to add text, press T on your keyboard to insert a text box, then type your headline and choose a font that suits the look you're going for. Before exporting, take a moment to align everything properly. As you move elements around the canvas, Canva's alignment guides will help you center and space things evenly. When everything looks right, click Share in the top right corner, then Download. Choose SVG if you want a scalable vector file, or PDF print if you need a crisp file for print use. Finally, click Download to save your finished design, and that's it. You now know how to vectorize an image in Canva and export it in a clean, scalable format. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.